to another video, guys, on IB Gaming 24/7. Today we are going to be doing this experiment kit, and there's all these 10 experiments.
What did they say?
There's pea whistle, ultraviolet beads, pop rocket, blooming crystals, chalk and vinegar, marble drop, mega snow, growing marbles, amazing sand, crystal tree.
Ooh.
I want to do the crystal tree.
Okay, you want to do crystal tree first?
Yeah.
Alright, so this is a kit that we just purchased at Five Below. It was part of Isaiah's Christmas gift.
And happy Three Kings Day.
Oh, today is the
Yeah, it's Three Kings Day. I got a Lego set, like this bendy and the ink machine thing, and a Roblox toy.
Okay. So the kit, it says it includes everything that you need. This is what it looks like. It has all these little envelopes, and they are all labeled with what you need for your experiments. And it has these go throw that away. It has these project cards that tell you what to do for every science experiment. Now, full disclosure here, I'm not a huge science fanatic.
I am.
But Isaiah is, so this is more for him. If something blows up here today, you know why. All right, which one do you want to do first? Which one did you say?
Crystal tree.
Crystal tree. So the project cards have exactly what you need to do on each of them. So we're just going to look for crystal tree. Blooming crystal, chalk and vinegar,
Warning.
blast,
Warning.
pop rocket.
This is acid.
Amazing socket, amazing sand, pea whistle, crystal tree.
Pea.
Not P like P-E-E. P, it says P-E-A. P. Okay, so materials are 1 paper tree, 1 bag of crystal solution. Where's the paper tree?
Paper tree.
Paper tree. Right where Isaiah was looking from. Let me look for it. So here's the Christmas tree. What is it called? Crystal solution. The next thing is 1 plastic base. This is the plastic base. Crystal solution. Okay. Procedure. To form the paper tree, take the 2 tree pieces and intersect them. Now place the intersected pieces into the base, the plastic base. Okay, do we need to like be careful? Okay. What does this warning say? Warning may cause eye, skin, and mucous membrane irritation. Whoa. May be harmful if swallowed or inhaled.
This is dangerous.
to cut it. I don't know what it is. It just says crystal solution. Who knows what's in this stuff? Do you want to pour it on top of the thing? Ah! Here.
Okay.
Just be careful, don't get it on your clothes. All right, pour it on top of the tree. All on top of it.
Can you do this hard?
It's not hard. Hold on, let's see. All right. Ah!
Crystal solution.
I'm glad I put it on something. Okay, so there is our crystal tree. It's supposed to transform. We will see what happens in 24 hours.
Yeah. See you in 10.
All right, so that's the first experiment. We're gonna move it over to the side. Can you get me a paper towel? All right, we are now going to try the, actually, let me show you how the sand turned out, because we drained the water, and here's how the sand turned out. This was not a winner. We weren't too happy with this experiment.
See, I'm gonna touch.
Let's see.
Learn about it.
Kind of gross.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Yeah. You don't get it all over yourself.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't think we should throw it away though.
Of course you don't. You don't want to throw anything away. You want to keep everything forever and ever.
Because, like, we worked hard on it.
Okay. We won't throw it away right away. All right. So that was kind of a bust. We're going to do this rocket blast off.
They're not working.
So we're going to do this rocket blast off. We're worrying about the rocket blast off. We'll explain what's happening over there in a second. It's actually called blast off rocket. So we remove the cap. We have to fill this bottom with some water and then add the blast off pellet, which is sodium bicarbonate, and then it's supposed to blast off. So let's see how this goes. You're gonna have to hold that for a second. Let me check.
Yeah, I'm scared again.
Okay. Okay.
Just gotta check on you guys. Sorry.
So 2 little caps. Ah! Bring it over here, bring it over here. Okay, sorry, I messed up there. Hold that. Another cap full. Ah! Bring it, bring it, bring it. Okay, here. I'm gonna move this out of the way so that you can see.
Scared. That is just
Sodium bicarbonate. Or bicarbonate. I'm not exactly sure how you say it.
carbon
So this
dioxide.
is the blast off packet. So what's going to happen is we're going to put this in here and it's going to create a gas that will cause this bad boy to launch. It says to move back. So Isaiah has moved back. And you can see it is now forming gas right there. Move it back. Let's see if it pops up. Do you hear the gases? All right, well,
It's still on the
this
chair.
is, I think this is my favorite.
Yeah, that's my
This is
favorite.
my favorite experiment.
Yeah.
Clean up a little bit.
Look at the crystal.
All right.
So we're gonna talk about what's going on over here. So
All right, hold on 1 second. Let's clean up our workspace again. We have this weird funky gas. All right, guys. So what you missed was that we started on these. What are these called again? Crystal.
that's the growing
These are
marbles. That's the crystal.
growing marbles. They are growing. Look, when we put them in, they were super tiny. We put some water. We put some marbles in the cup, and then we put some water in it, and they are getting bigger. They were super tiny. Now look at how big they are.
What touch?
They were super tiny.
Take one out.
No. We have to let them keep growing. So that's it so far. Here's the progress. We did the same thing with these. What are these called again? blooming crystals. They don't
yes.
look like they're blooming that big. Oh, wait, dude, look. They did get bigger. They were super tiny when we put them in, and they're growing
That's so cool.
in the water. So let's see
Look at
how it
this.
goes.
Yeah, they have to get a little bit bigger.
They're supposed to get bigger, I think.
So we're back in the tree. Actually worked. It actually turned into crystals.
Ooh.
And like it was better than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it wasn't gonna work. I saved this.
So we have been adding more and more water to the little
Orbeez.
marbles. What were they called? They're not called Orbeez. So
Yeah,
they're
they
called
are.
something else. What were they called in this thing?
Orbeez.
Isaiah, that's not what they were called. Growing marbles. See? Told you. Growing marbles. Okay.
The real name is Orbeez.
Yeah, but you can't use a brand name in something that's not. Okay, anyway. Let's see. So
this
that's
is
the
how big-
biggest it's gotten so far.
Yeah, and it's bigger than the marble.
Look at the cups. We filled 2 cups now because Isaiah keeps adding water because he thinks it's so cool. So
Look how small this
they
one
were
is.
in a bag, probably this size, super tiny, and probably maybe that amount of marbles was inside of it. So just like that amount of marbles in it, multiplied to that.
And this one right here is cold and like
What do they feel like?
just slimy.
Slimy.
Yeah.
So cool.
My dad thought you can eat them, but you
No.
can't. They're
Did
toxic.
he really think that you could eat them?
Yeah, he really did.
Silly guy. All right, so did you enjoy all of the experiments that we did?
Yeah.
Okay. You have anything to say to the people before we finish up this video?
I just had to show them this. It's bigger than the marble.
Those are the marbles that we tossed yesterday. Put them in your hands like flat. Whoa, it is bigger than the marble. That is crazy.
No, that one's like the hugest one we've ever got, but there's some big ones.
Well, at some point, this is going to have to be removed from my dining room table. Dun, dun, dun.
And there's snow. We're gonna do the rocket again because we have this stuff.
Yeah, I think we have a couple of... We can do the rockets
But
one more
what's
time,
this
another day.
for though?
I don't know. I really don't know what it was for.
Tell us in the comment section if you have this and you know what it's this for.
That's the citric acid.
Maybe it was for the chalk.
I didn't see it in any of the materials for any of the project cards, so I have no idea.
Well, you guys tell us in the comment section if it's for something that we missed.
Or maybe we can use it for a different science project.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
Maybe we can do a search on that. All right. Well, everybody like and subscribe to IB Gaming 24/7 for more videos. We have some more content coming up within the next couple weeks. Oh, yeah. Those things are huge, too. Oh, dang.
Yeah, I'm not so happy with these.
Why?
They didn't really turn out how the box showed them.
Those are huge. Even yesterday, when we were looking at them, like they weren't even like... They were all weird yesterday. Remember when they started to grow? Now they're cubes again. That is freaky.
I want to eat them now.
No!
They feel like gummies.
Don't eat them. Little boy. Don't eat them. You'll be sorry.
Why? I'll be sorry for what?
Because you're going to get poisoned. Look how crazy that is.
No one knows if it's poisoned.
It kind of looks like Jell-O. It has kind of a Jell-O consistency, except Jell-O, if you press on it, it'll break. But these things don't break
Yeah, they do.
like that. I mean, you have to put a lot of pressure in it. Jell-O, if you put just a teensy bit of pressure on it, it'll break.
Yeah, these are also break.
Yeah. So like and subscribe. Thank you for joining us on this science experiment kit. Oh, science experiment quest. I like that.
Science quest.
All right. And we will see you next time on IB Gaming 24/7.